Assembled in Wichita, Kansas from rugged aluminum, the GPRO M30 is a dependable, durable, and affordably accurate commercial fuel flow meter. M30 is designed for commercial users who need to reliably track fuel consumption on their job sites fueling large equipment, such as bulldozers, excavators, and combines. M30 Pro is robust and built to last, so you can depend on M30 to keep your operation running at the toughest job sites and through the harshest weather conditions. M30 Pro is designed for measuring diesel blends up to B20, gasoline, E15, and kerosene on DC or AC pumps in temperatures as low as -20 Fahrenheit. M30 Pro is best paired with the GPRO V25 and V20 series fuel pumps using our modular quick-fit connection. M30 Pro is factory calibrated to 2% accuracy for measuring diesel and can also be field calibrated for varying fuel and environmental conditions. M30 Pro is equipped with many unique features to increase reliability and safety while improving your ease of use, including a large mechanical register that lets you view fueling totals at a glance, a low-drag magnetic drive that eliminates messy fuel leaks, and quick-fit leak-proof connections, which let you easily connect your meter to our quick-fit pumps without worrying about leaks, misalignment, or pipe thread sealants. Quick-fit also allows you to rotate the position of the register to fit your needs. GPI stands behind the quality and reliability of our meters, which is why we back M30 Pro with an industry-leading limited lifetime warranty. So you can have confidence that when you buy GPRO fuel meters, your operation will run smoothly for years to come. Thank you for choosing GPRO.